thing's fucking balanced up on my pieces of wood there. I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm just showing where it is.
Uh-oh. No! It's good. Oh, God.
I don't know what you had that thing set on there. I took one shot. It just like poof, off it went.
You got a microphone down.
I didn't do it on purpose. I couldn't care less if I was on camera or not. But
did he knock it down? We're gonna find out.
So yeah,
the camera's okay, and John is still working on toe kicks.
And why don't you put those legs further out for?
Because I'm telling you, John. You said a pipe wrench?
Yeah. Yeah, those channel locks. Yeah. You need to leave that open a little bit. I'll know which drawer to put it in.
It seems to be spray foam day quite a bit lately. So Ben's Gandalf, I'll start referring to it as Gandalf. Gandalf's getting spray foam today. That means wiring's done, plumbing pass-throughs are done, vents are done, heating is done, and obviously all framing's done. Let's go check out kind of the state that it's at right now. So we got electrical, everything's all fastened up and tied off. And then all the tuck tape is actually meant to keep these wires where they're supposed to be. Without the tuck tape, spray foam gets in behind, it's gonna push all your wires down, and then we're scraping out spray foam for days. So plumbing's all set up, pulled way off the wall, so it's actually getting spray foamed on this side. And then heating is all ran, same thing. All gets pushed off the wall, it's on the interior. Other than that, the boys have made, oh yes, the Vaseline trick. So those are some freshly coated studs with a little bit of Vaseline. That is so spray foam doesn't stick to it, quick wipe off and we're done. Another little trick the boys came up with, the vent shrouds just to block off the holes. We've got these little blockouts pre-made, and then we just slide them into the vents that are installed. What are you poking in for?
I was just seeing who was dizzling in here.
Just me dizzling.
John, butt check.
Okay, while Darren's working away on spray foam, we're gonna get a little update on the air supply lines. Hey, how's air going?
Fantastic.
Logan is installing now. Okay, so a little bit more detail on what we're doing here. If the airline comment wasn't clear, we've got our big pump in the corner. We've got hard lines around on the wall, so they're coming along. And then we are sending those up and across so that they can dangle. So every table's gonna get an airline. I'm gonna go check out the new shop. We got some concrete laid, so I'll show you guys that. How did spray foam go today?
Oh, just fantastic.
He's already loving the spray foam.
Yeah, I love it so much.
The scraping?
The scraping's the best. Woohoo!
Okay, let's go see this new concrete. So this is gonna be a breezeway right through. We're gonna cut a door. We'll see what that looks like.
Yes.
How's Fab Shop going?
Oh, just fabulous.
Look at that. Don't mind the mold on the walls. We're gonna have to completely gut this place. Okay, so this is the Fab Shop. This is the new doorway that's gonna be going in. That piece of plywood there is, well, Lori's sitting just to the right of it. That's gonna get opened up so Cole's able to do a straight shot in and out of here. Right now, Cole's doing a lot of steps. He's been doing that walk around on the outside of the building. He's voiced his concern, winter is coming, and it's gonna be cold. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning. Starting off with a little bit of office stuff. That's just looking like a little bit of planning. Okay, so Lori is putting together our products binder. So that's gonna be, he's starting with van spec builds. So that's gonna be our lodgepole, ponderosa, and foxtail. Still unreleased to you guys. That's the first mention of these names. We'll be sharing a little bit more details over the coming weeks as we put together the spec layout builds. They will still be custom. We're just gonna have some set layouts that give kind of some flexibility and options, make the decision process a lot easier. Oh, what else do we have today?
No, I didn't know.
Take a close look right now.
If you get it fixed, I'll make you 10 coffees.
I don't want 10 coffees. Well, first of all, the cord's cut off of it. Where's your first problem? Oh.
Okay, time for an office break. I'm gonna give you guys an update on Ben's spray foam. Christian's been scraping away. Okay, before that, I'm actually gonna pop over into Ronnie's build because Guy is up to a little bit of finishing work. Okay, Guy's just wrapping up the first coat. I think tomorrow, second coat will go on, and then we're done with paint. Okay, that's the paint update in Ronnie's build. Now, let's go check out Christian. He's got a new tool to show you guys. This is a homemade tool. I'm gonna get Christian to explain it to you. What's the process now?
Huh?
Let's see this new tool.
This is Forky. It's got American hickory handle. And it's a glazing bar that's screwed to the handle with fork teeth ground into it.
Ergonomic hold. Look at the shape. All ages can use this tool.
American hickory, can't go wrong there.
American hickory, it's not gonna break on you. And so far it is the quickest tool for scraping this crap off.
Wow. The grinder works pretty good, but it's obnoxiously awful to use.
And a WCB claim waiting to happen.
Yeah.
Cole is currently cutting pieces for the roof rack on Sully. I just realized I skipped over this absolutely amazing paint job. So we got this back last week. Look at that blue. So that is a Chevrolet blue. I can't remember the paint code. On the outside of the bus, this is new. This is just a gas hookup, correct? Guy's helping me out here. Okay, so the guys have installed a gas barbecue propane hookup. You can set up your little picnic table, throw the cooktop out, connect at that point there. Right here, it's prepped for a cargo unit, storage unit. What else do we have on the exterior? Oh. On the back side, we got a nice hitch installed and a 7-way wiring plug. Okay, that is it for the Sully build this week. That's a quick little update. Right now we've got 3 builds absolutely rocking along. That's Sully behind me. That's Ben right over here. Ben's the white bus, Gandalf. And then behind Gandalf is Ronnie's build, and that is Rooster. If you guys are having trouble hearing, I apologize for the Tenacious D in the background. It's Friday and I cannot turn off Tenacious D. It's officially Friday, camera's going off. We'll see you guys next week.
I didn't think those were on there.
Barrel latches are hooked. They've been on there since the day I put them on.
Why didn't it work today?
Because it's hot out there today. The sun is shining.
That's what threw me off.